Hello there, we are going to talk about the preventive maintenance with wet bench, part 2. This period, we are going to talk about the dilute piping of chemical. We talked about it before, but we just to talk about it again for more detail. The dilute action. First of all, step A. We are going to drain all the chemical liquid to the drain line. The inner tank or the outer tank, and at the same time the outer tank including to the pump and the filter and the heater. This cycle also have the drain valve to drain. Drain all the chemical to the drain line to the facility treatment. Because it is a high density chemical liquid, we got to drain it to the chemical drain line to let the facility work with special treatment equipment to make the chemical to be a qualified waste chemical liquid. After we drain completely with the inner tank and outer tank and the pump and the filter and the heater, the next step, step B, we supply the DI water till for inner tank and outer tank. Step C, we start to DI water circulation flow. This flow from the inner tank to the outer tank, and DI water flow to the pump and flow to the filter and flow to the heater, finally flow back to the inner tank. The DI water circular flow all the piping for at least 30 minutes for the dilute chemical residue. Use this circular flow with DI water to clean out the chemical piping. And step D, drain again. Drain the waste water, the water including a little bit chemical residue. Drain the waste water to the facility treatment. It's the drain waste water line. It's not the same with the chemical drain line, because this time drain the most amount is DI water, a very few, very less chemical residue inside. So drain to the waste water line to let the facility treatment equipment to take care about it. And I got to notice it again. Sometimes inside the chemical, we're going to drain the chemical probably have high temperature, even to the 155 degree centigrade. The high temperature chemical will drain to the facility with a cooling tank to make the chemical cool to the room temperature. Then use the treatment equipment to take care of it. Step A. Execute step B, C, D. Repeat for several times. It's easy to say that DI water supply and use DI water to dilute a pipe, and after dilute, we drain the waste. Then DI water supply again, and DI water dilute to clean again. Then to drain the DI water waste water again. To do the dilute action for several times. To make piping and make chemical pump and make filter without chemical residue. After that, the final step, step F. We open the pump purge valve and the filter purge valve to purge. There's a little bit pressure and a little bit dilute liquid to purge out. Purge the pressure of the elements like pump, filter, heater, or pre-filter element. Purge length and test by the litmus paper to verify its clean level. When we purge a little bit pressure, it leak a little bit liquid, and normally the clean level is very good. The liquid almost DI water. So we test it by litmus paper. It will be pH value at the neutral. So if the pH value is over, we got to do the dilute action more times to make all the piping very clean without any chemical residue. Okay, let's see you next time. We are going to talk about it continuously.